Here's a quick unboxing of the NOKINS LED light kit for the DS. First thing I notice, nice harness. Another nice harness. Plugs everywhere. Almost laid out like the factory harness is. Got some nice splitters. Connectors, some aluminum parts. Very, very well laid out kit. Even comes with hole saws. I kid because on the website they call these chainsaws. A couple hole saws for your switches. The trim piece for your steering column. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's got everything. Because it's got a horn. Comes with a horn. Let's look at sweet LED lights. Plug and play. Nice looking. Very nice looking. This? Oh, here's our turn signal. Blinker handle. Maybe hazard lights, I'm sure. High beams and low beams is on here. On, off. I'm telling you, killer. It comes with screws, clamps. Wow. Your other headlight. Tail lights. This is something that was really cool looking to me. I am digging these. There's a lot. I like them. And then you can get this box open. It comes with a DC converter, which is way bigger than the standard converter you can get off Amazon for 20-30 bucks. That's probably double the amperage, which is really cool. You might be able to tap into this and feed even a stereo. So very, very neat. And it's good for 72 volts. That's one of the reasons I selected this kit. There's some more big batteries, 4 of them. Like and subscribe for updates. I'm gonna do an update video here soon. See ya.